Naomi Home presents the Siggy Genuine Leather Square Arm Loveseat Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This leather loveseat comes as shown with goose feather cushion filling, making your seat feel like a cloud. To get started, attach 2 legs onto each armrest using 2 screws per leg. Next, install the middle leg onto the base. Now connect the sofa assembly onto the sofa back. Similarly, connect both armrests onto the sides of the sofa assembly and sofa back. Next, remove packaging fabric from the back of the cushions and place onto the sofa assembly and sofa back. And there you have it, your Siggy Genuine Leather Square Arm Loveseat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.